Maheshwari. I am studying 5th class. Now I am telling about C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman born in 1888 and death in 1970. He was one of the most renowned scientists produced by India. His full name was Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. His pioneering work on scattering of light. C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930.
My name is Harvi. I am studying in 5th standard. My project name is water cycle. First, oceans, lakes and etc. are get evaporated. Then it form a cloud. When touch of air touched in a cloud, that cloud gives us rain. That water helps us to grow our plants. Finally, the run off stage, it go into ocean and then it's evaporated. Thank you.
My name is Tanuja. I am studying 8th class in Oxford High School, Uppugazuru. I am telling about the volcano. Volcano is the opening in the earth crust. Through lava or magma containing the given rises, dissolve and can be exhausted. The lava contains two elements. Those are silicon and oxygen. This is the model of volcano.
My name is Sai Sriya. I am studying 5A1. Now germination. This first cups taken soil ki and తర్వాత ఇత్తనాలు నాటేసి వాటర్ పోయాలి. వాటర్ పోసిన తర్వాత చిన్నగా మొలకలు వచ్చాయి.
So when you planted?
4 days before.
Okay, 4 days before you planted all the seeds.
Yes.
Okay, very good, very nice.
My name is Kushla. I am studying 4th term. Now I am speech. I am doing a project, magical water fountain.
This is my project. In a switch and circuit, a small model of a switch. Electricity can only flow all the way around a loop called a circuit. When we turn the switch off, it breaks the circuit, stopping the flow of electricity to reach the lights so that the lights won't glow. When we turn the switch on, it joins the circuit and makes them work again.
Okay, very good.
Good evening to all. I am from 7th class studying in Oxford High School and I am Lakshmi Akshara. Today I am going to telling about water cycle of rain, plants and its parts, photosynthesis and Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. So first we will explain about water cycle of rain. First, due to the heat of the sun, evaporation is happening. Evaporation means the liquid form of water changes into gaseous form of water vapor. After the evaporation of water, where does evaporation happen? Evaporation is happen on the surface water bodies on the surfaces of the earth like oceans, rivers, lakes, etc. And then evaporated water will change it into small tiny water droplets. That process is called as condensation. And condensed water fall as rain on earth's surface. That process is called precipitation. Let's know the meanings of precipitation, condensation and evaporation. Evaporation. The liquid form of water changes into gaseous form of water vapor. Condensation. The gaseous form of water vapor changes into water is called condensation. Precipitation. The condensed water vapor falling on earth's surface. So now we have to discuss about plants and its parts. Plants. Plants almost have two systems. One is shoot system and another one is root system. In shoot system, how many parts were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts were in shoot system. Let's know the part. What are the parts? stem, fruit, leaves and flowers. In the root system, there are two types of roots. One is taproot, another is fibrous root. Taproot means the taproot is always in the straight forward and it has teeny roots like this. And fibrous root. Fibrous roots are so much large and they are branchy. A plant has roots, stems, leaves, fruits, flowers. These all are shoot system. Root part is guarded as root system. There are two types of roots. One is taproot and there is fibrous root. Next, photosynthesis. A plant wanted to be energetic, wanted to be good. How like this? It need light energy and carbon dioxide. How it get carbon dioxide? We breathe oxygen and we release carbon dioxide. How we get oxygen? Tree breathes carbon dioxide and it releases oxygen outside. So then we can breathe oxygen. And water need to grow and it wanted to be healthy. Tree wanted to be healthy and it wanted to grow in a proper way. It needs water, minerals from the soil, and another one is carbon dioxide and sunlight, light energy. Next about Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. He is the Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman, which is called as C.V. Raman. He was born on November 7, 1888 at Tiruchirappalli in southern India. National Science Day is celebrated to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect by Nobel laureate physics C.V. Raman on this day in 1928. Every year we celebrate Science Day on February 28th all over the India. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
My name is Ashwardhan. I am studying 5th class. This project is rainwater harvesting. వానబడి నీళ్ళు టెర్రస్ మీద ఉంటాయి. అవి కాలువలో వేస్ట్ కాకుండా కలెక్టర్ ట్యాంక్ అవి ఫిల్టర్ అవ్వడానికి రాళ్ళు ఇసుక బొగ్గు అవి ఫిల్టర్ అవుతాయి. మళ్ళీ అవి ఫిల్టర్ అయినవి బావిలోకి ఆగుతాయి. అవి మళ్ళీ యానిమల్స్కి ప్లాంట్స్కి యూజ్ అవుతాయి.
Okay, very good.
Good evening to all. My name is Kalyan Kumar Reddy. I am studying 7th A1. I am studying in Oxford High School. Now I will tell about electric circuit. See here, once check this. This is the switch. When we hold this switch, the light will on. See here. This is the remote for this fan. When I am pressing red switch, the fan will rotate like this, in this direction. Once look carefully. When I press yellow switch, the fan will rotate in this direction. This is due to the changes of positive terminal to negative terminal and negative terminal to positive terminal. Once look at this. This is a battery. This black wire is the negative terminal. It is directly connected to the light. And this red wire is the positive terminal. It is connected to switch. The light's positive terminal also connected to switch, but it is not glow. Why? Because the switch is not allowed the electricity to pass to the light. When I switch on, the electricity flows to the light and the light will glow. When I off, it will off. Because the circuit is incomplete now. Now it is complete. The electricity flows all over the circuit is called complete circuit. Whenever it is not flow all over the circuit, it is called incomplete. Okay, thank you for giving this opportunity.
Good evening to all. My name is Ketes Pratap. I am from 7th A1. I am tell about C.V. Raman and Raman effect. He is the C.V. Raman. He discovered the dispersion of the light through prism. Raman effect. Change in the wavelength of light that occurs when a light beam is deflected by molecules. When a beam of light transverses dust-free transparent sample of a chemical compound, a small fraction of the light emerges in direction other than that of the incident incoming beam. This is known as Raman effect. Thank you.
My name is Kavya. I am studying 4th A1. This is the solar plate. This is the the controller, this is the tank, this is the phone, this is the pump. సన్లైట్ని తీసుకొని కరెంట్లోకి పంపిస్తుంది. అప్పుడు మనం పంప్ ఆన్ చేసుకొని నీళ్ళని ఫోన్లోకి పంపించవచ్చు.
My name is Shashank. I am studying 5th A1. The project name is windmill. A windmill is a type of working engine. It converts the wind energy into rotation energy. To do this, it uses sails and blades. The energy made by the windmill can be used in many ways.
My name is Balavashra. I am studying 6th A1 in Oxford High School. Types of parts. This leaf have so many types of parts. Some types of parts. First one is midrib. The line is called midrib. Its shape is called leaf blade. Here this line is called in middle. This line is called leaf lamina. And some gaps in the middle, it is called vein. This stem is called petiole. There are different types of leaves.
Hi, this is Marmika from 7th class.
This is Anita from 7th class.
Now we want to show an experiment from acids and bases. This is the turmeric paste, that is indicator, and this is soap water. This is the base.
First we have to apply the turmeric paste into a white paper.
And we want to dip a bud into the soap water, and we want to show.
See, it changes
into red color. This is called the acid reaction, acid and bases reaction.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Amrevati Nandan from 7th P1. Our school name is Oxford High School. This is a space rocket. It helps us. ఇది మనకి శాటిలైట్ని క్యారీ చేస్తుంది. ఇది కనుక స్పేస్ దగ్గరలోకి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఇది వచ్చేస్తుంది, శాటిలైట్ వెళ్తుంది. దాని అర్థం ఇది స్పేస్ వరకు శాటిలైట్ని క్యారీ చేస్తుంది. ఇది మనకి కింద నుంచి ఫైర్ వస్తుంది. ఆ ఫైర్ మనం 5 కిలోమీటర్స్ దూరంలో ఉండాలి. ఇది 5 వెళ్ళగానే ఇది పక్కకు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఇది పక్కకు వెళ్ళి పక్కన ఉన్న ఓషన్స్లో పడుతుంది. ఇది రాకెట్ ఈ వింగ్స్ ఏమో ఫైర్ పక్కకి సరిగా త్రో అవ్వకుండా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good morning to all. My name is Vamsivardhan Reddy from 6th A1. I am studying in Oxford High School. I am doing my school. This is entrance. This is playground. In my school, 2 buses and roads. This is dining hall. This is office room. This is staff room. This is classes. And this is gent staff room. This is computer lab and one classroom. Thank you.